welcome to Polish Mama Cooks. I know I haven't been uploading and posting a lot of movies lately, and I would like to apologize for that to all my subscribers and everyone that watches my movies. I'm sorry, but I've been quite busy with the preparation for the big day that is coming very soon for me. Anyway, today I would like to show you how to prepare gołąbki, a Polish meal that has absolutely nothing to do with pigeons, however the name would suggest that, and it's based on very cheap ingredients: rice, meat and cabbage. Also, I will upload a movie that is similar to gołąbki but it's a variation, and it's called stuffed peppers. So let's start.
Start with cooking the rice, it takes the longest. Just follow the instructions, use whatever rice you want. Next, while rice is cooking, prepare the meat. So chop the onion and the garlic and fry it until it's golden brown. So about 3 to 4 minutes. Add the minced beef and the minced pork and mix it all well. Cook it until all the meat is fully cooked through. Add salt and pepper, paprika, thyme and oregano, and just let it cook on small heat. To finish up the stuffing, put the rice and the meat together. The ratio should be 2 to 1 for meat. Secondly, prepare the cabbage. Basically take out the stain and then put it in the water for 30 seconds to a minute and start to peel off the leaves, one by one. Next, assemble the actual gołąbki by putting the stuffing into the leaf of cabbage and rolling it a bit like a burrito, so sides inside, and roll it all up. I always finish up my gołąbki in the oven because it gives them color and a bit of different taste. I prepare them with apples, so peel an apple and then put it in between the gołąbkis. Cover it with a bit of cabbage and then put it in the oven for 350 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Halfway through, make sure that you take off the extra leaves of the cabbage and check if there is enough water and they are not getting dry.
Smacznego! I hope you enjoyed my recipe for baked gołąbki. Please don't forget to check out my recipe for stuffed paprika. Thank you for being with me today. Smacznego! See you next time. Bye bye!